Hi kids, today I am going to read you a story. The name of the story is Windy Day. Story by Divya, illustrations by Deepankar Rai. Are you ready? Let's begin. The wind is blowing hard. Look there, my kite flew away. Run, let's catch the kite. Look there, my balloon flew away. Run, let's catch the balloon. Look there, my cap flew away. Run, let's catch the cap. Look there, my scarf flew away. Run, let's catch the scarf. The wind took them all away. That's it. Bye.